Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Toy Blast game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toy Blast game on your device and complete the basic tutorial levels in order to unlock the main menu. Once you are within the main menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and now you will see the sign in with Facebook button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked to allow access to your Facebook account. Just tap on the continue as button from the Facebook application or log in if you haven't done so already. Once you allow access into your account, you will be signed in using your Facebook account on the Toy Blast game, and all of your previous progress will be reverted back into the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Toy Blast game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.